There she is. Bunch of oil in the back here. The plastic cracks because people over tighten these. It fractures the plastic and it'll start leaking. Or the seals go bad and it starts leaking and it goes down the valley here all the way around the transmission bell housing and starts dripping on the ground, and people think it's a rear main seal. It's not a rear main seal. So you can remove this, replace the seals if the seals are bad, and just put it back. If you're going through the trouble, put a better unit in there and call it a day. Because the oil and coolant go through this. So that's a cooler hose that goes there. There's a coolant port right here up front, and then the rest is all oil. Usually just falls apart.
Whether he does it, he will learn how to in the video.
Oh yeah.
If he knows about him.
What, 20 minutes in and was my wrist. That must be torque setting right there. Perfect.
Pretty much. To do that to everything.
I understand. The new toxic. I'm going to be sealed.
And it's not like a move.
There would be far more
Wow, that was tight. Not.
liability with the slippery epoxy oil.
Yeah. That means you.
Bye.
You need to brush your hair. I was gonna say she's kind of in that maybe sick, maybe not phase. She was sick Sunday, and then fine all week. That's the best time to do it because then you need.
Here we are at what? 8:30 at night? Yeah. See ya. point, I would normally call the customer and let them know what's going on, but it's 9 o'clock at night. I'm just trying to catch up on some work here. So this customer will be getting a phone call on Monday morning because it is Friday night right now. And we're gonna have to do some tube seals here. But I need this thing running because I have a Jeep to work on Sunday. Pulling an engine, transmission, transfer case, powertrain out of a Cherokee. So I need this thing running and out of here. So for now, gonna get his new spark plug, and it's gonna be happy about it, and we'll deal with the rest later.